So I've been on YouTube for quite some time now, roughly around 3 to 4 years already. That span of time, I've learned a lot of things in terms of video editing, filmmaking, working on my craft as a content creator. And the content creation has already evolved in so many ways that you could ever think of. From landscape format to vertical format, everything has evolved and keep on evolving. And in my case, whenever I do my vertical format from my TikTok videos and Instagram reels, I change it in my project settings here in Filmora, and you can choose from these options. And in this case, I choose 9 by 16. And in my case, whenever I do my TikTok or Instagram reels, my go-to effects are in texts, transitions, and effects. Well, in my case, I don't really overdo my effects whenever I make my reels or TikTok. I focus on the cuts, the storyline, and how I manage the camera angles. Just like these content that I produced for a brand deal. And aside from the contents that I usually do from my lifestyle videos and travel videos, I've also jumped into creating tutorial videos ever since I became a Filmora creative content creator. And these kinds of stickers are the ones that I usually use whenever I produce these kind of videos. I think this is one of the most used feature here in Filmora program that I keep on using every time I make my tutorial videos. The screen recording feature. So it really depends on how you really wanted to use all the features that you have here in Filmora 14. I've only started with a couple of features that are available back in Filmora 12, and now I've seen a lot of changes already in the latest version. That's it for today's episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been Alex. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.